Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the March 29th of 2019. Today's the Friday. I'm just doing a market recap of today's action. And so what happened was I had two losing trades on the Forex side and on the future side. So looking at the futures first, I had about a 16 tick stop, which is about 4 points. So that's about $200 loss gross before commissions. So my $2,000 account went down to $1,800, which is okay. I mean, my method is about 77% accurate, so I'm confident I can recoup the losses. In any case, I was fading this level. I was fading my Fibonacci levels as always, based on previous nights highs and lows. And what happened was I was correct on this downward move here. Is just essentially what happened was on a Friday, usually what happens is when price begins to move, it can get really it can push really strongly in either direction. So it actually happened on both on Forex and futures, and so my stop got hit. But if I had, well, in hindsight, you can't say if I had a wider stop, but nevertheless, you can argue it would have still worked in your favor if your stop was a little bit wider. But my stop is actually pretty okay where it is because of money management rules. You don't want to make it too wide. It depends on your account size, and so that's that. I was stopped out for a loss, and on the Forex side, you will see as well on the highlights. I usually mention for those in my Fiverr group, there's usually a pivot point around the 10:20 a.m. area. So today was actually a pretty fantastic day. It went for 110 pips. Nevertheless, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to forward test my pivot point strategy with market profile levels. So I actually try to fade it up here. So I tried this when this was coming down. You'll see in the highlights. I try to fade it here, going up, but it pushed down strong, and it went past 40 pips, which is my usual stop, and so it went down and found support here at this low volume node, and before it rallied again. So I got stopped. I actually closed it before I got stopped out, and so this way I incurred a loss of about $4.50, which is on the PNL side we're $4.82. That's less than, again, on a $700 account size, that's less than 0.5%. So it's very healthy to recoup at a later time. Shouldn't take too long, but that's about it. And yeah, so both losing days, but essentially on a Friday I should have been a little bit more careful with these strong moves. So I'll take that into consideration moving forward, and we'll see how Monday turns out. In any case, thank you for dropping by. I appreciate you guys being here, and have a good weekend. Trade well and prosper. Cheers. Bye.